What's going on, everyone? How's everyone doing out there, man? I hope you guys are having a great 2019 so far. Um, let's get right to it. Another review. We are going to do a review on another plug and play item. This one happens to be from the exotic line. This is your grape ape soda, which I heard is very, very tasty. So we're going to try that one out. And next for this review will be Stiiizy Biscotti. Biscotti, strong indica that will supposedly knock your socks off. We'll have to get into that. So anyways, here we have your Stiiizy, and here we have your plug and play. So I'm gonna do the hat trick, which is 3 hits of each strain or each brand. So let's see how this goes. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah, you could taste the indica right off the bat. Has that OG flavor. Wow, is it smooth? So good. Wow, this thing is hitting pretty hard. It's off of a fresh charge. So, those first 5, 6, 7 rips off of a fresh charged battery are fucking very, very potent, dude. Whoa, here we go. One thing I can say that I really like about Stiiizy, look at how sleek and slim and easy these look to store. Okay, there's no button. It's just a quick draw, pull and draw, and it's an easy, user friendly vape. This is awesome. Anyways, Biscotti, this one here. Whoa, you guys go pick that up. And now we move on to plug and play. Great vape. Woo! Now this one is also off of a fresh charge. Excuse me. And this one rips like a fucking dab rig. I'm telling you. I've said it before, but plug and play, whoa. You guys produce and generate a lot of fucking smoke. Perfect. Whatever this thing's ran at, whatever temperature, it's perfectly set. Whoa. Dude, that grape, the grape is not, it's not to the point where it's taken over, like the flavor is overly powerful. It's just a hint of grape, just a little taste of grape. And it's just like piney, once you exhale, that's what you get, more of the weed flavor, weed tasting flavor at the end. But it's just hints of grape. And we're gonna do this last hit. Cheers, people. Jeez. And there you have it. You got your Stiiizy, plug and play Stiiizy. And you gotta keep these covered so no lint, dust, etc. gets in. Thank you for watching.